Hey everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to day 2 of the Honeybee Stamps spring release. First up, I would like to introduce you to the Hooray for You stamp set. So you have Go You, Hooray, So Excited for You, and You Did It. There's also a coordinating die set. This die includes 3 large dies, so you have the Hooray in a scripty font, a shadow, and then a larger pierced shadow. I'm going to cut these and show you what they look like. So here is a look at those dies all cut out. So you have that beautiful scripty word, the white shadow, and then the pierced shadow. Here's a card by Carrie. She used that beautiful Hooray die cut, and then also Dad, and that comes from this Best Parents stamp and die set. So this is the stamp set. You have Mom, Dad, Fathers, Mothers. You have Best Mom in the World, Best Dad in the World, I Love You, Happy Father's Day, lots of combos that you can make with this stamp set. And of course there's a coordinating die set, as you saw there on Carrie's card. So this is a large die set. You have all of those scripty words, so you have Mothers, Fathers, Mom, and Dad. And then all 4 of those scripty words have just the first shadow, and then Mom and Dad have the pierced shadow. So lots of combinations that you can make with this die set as well. Here's a look at all the dies cut out. So here's Mom with both just the basic shadow behind and then the pierced one. Here's Dad. I love those. And then I love this Mothers and Fathers. Now Mothers and Fathers just has that basic shadow, the one shadow behind that. Love those. Perfect for Mother's and Father's Day coming up. Here's a look at a card from design team member Emily, and I love how she paired that with the spring branch die cuts. So beautiful. Now here's a look at the flower card fold out die set. So this comes with a card die, and it has the score lines intact there. It has what is a petal piece. It has a round piece that will be the center of your flower, and then 5 either leaves or petals. I'm going to cut this out and show you kind of how it goes together. So here's all the dies removed from the packaging, and I have all of those cut out with my cardstock. So I'm just going to use this green cardstock. It's already scored. The die scores that for you. So I'm going to give it a fold with my fingers, and then I'm just going to take my bone folder and go over those folds really well to get a nice crease so my card lays pretty flat. So I'm just going to go over that a couple of times. And then as you can see there to the left, I have cut that petal piece not once but 2 times. So you're going to get 1 die in your package, but you need to cut that 2 times to make your flower. So that also has a little tab and a score line. So I'm going to fold that over with my fingers, and then again use my bone folder and make sure that has a nice crease. I'm going to do that on both of those flower pieces. And those tuck right over those opening flaps of the card to create your flower look. So I'm going to line those up. You can use some strong adhesive like score tape or liquid adhesive if you want to do that. Now you can adhere that circle piece to just one side of the card flap and have it open like that. Or you can trim it down the middle and have both sides open, kind of like you're holding and opening a book. So this set is really versatile. You can just use your imagination to make your flower and set it up any way you want. Now the 5 petal pieces you can cut out as many times as you want, of course, to add lots of texture and dimension to the front of your flower. Depending on whether you want to leave the center of your flower in one piece or you want to cut it in 2, that may help you to decide how you want to place your petals. If you glue them to the yellow center as I'm showing here so it opens, or you can glue them directly to the white cardstock that you cut and adhered below. You can also use the center of the flower to add a little bit of interest to the inside of your card, to add a little bit of a writing space. Here is a finished flower card all done. See there where I cut out some green petals for the leaves. This 4 by 8 inch stamp set is called Little Ladies, and if you loved the Honeybee Stamps Build-A-Bee set, you're going to love this one as well. So it's got all types of little ladybugs on there that you can style up with the little faces. There's little bows, and you can also build your own. There's little body parts there. You can see the body, different heads, there's wings you can add. Super cute. And there's also the little dots, so you can either stamp those in or you can color them as well. There's also a coordinating die set that will cut out all of those cute little ladybugs as well as the parts, so you can build your very own. So I cannot wait to play with these ladybugs. I have stamped and cut them so I can show you what each one looks like. So, oh, they're so cute. I can't wait to color these and add the little faces to them. As you can see there, it cuts out, the coordinating dies cut out all of the ladybugs as well as all the little heads and body parts and wings, so you can build your very own. So there are 3 different types of heads, so you have them looking to the left and to the right and then straight forward. So cute, and I love all those cute little faces. Well, let me show you what these look like when you want to build your own. So I'm just going to use the little head and body here at the bottom, and then you can just add on 1 little wing, you can 2 little wings. So cute. Now this is called the Love Bug Sentiment Set. Lots of different combinations you can make here, lots of words. I love the cute and playful font. You have hey there, little lady, your I love bug, such a sweetie, butterfly kisses, and ladybug. Hugs, happiness is knowing you, bright my day, wish, flying by to say hello or hi, happy birthday, make me so, if friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Get well soon. Sorry you, and caught a bug. So all types of different combinations, lots of words that you can mix and match. Here's a little inspiration from Carol using Little Ladies and the Love Bug Sentiment Set, and from Kaya. I love this, and I love that watercolor background. So that's it for day 2. You can find all of this and more at honeybeestamps.com. Talk to you tomorrow.